Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment Exp19 Excel Chapter 2 ML2 Smartphones. In its project description, you are just graduated from college and before beginning your first professional job, you would like to purchase a new smartphone. You have the option to purchase a new phone in one payment or make monthly payment by taking advantage of a 36-month flex payment plan. The payment plan charges an APR of 1.75% for the service. Prior to making your payment decision, you would like to make a worksheet to calculate the monthly payment for consumer report top three smartphone for you young professionals. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel download. Open the file Exp19 Excel Chapter 2 Assessment Smartphone. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. I have already downloaded this file and opened this file. So we will move to our second step. Our second step is rename sheet 1 as a flex pay. So we'll copy this and paste this one and rename this one as a file this one as a flex pay. In this way we have renamed this one. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in the Pearson course, Canvas course, Cengage course, SAM course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can just comment on this video so I will get you soon. Or just scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. We will go to the third step. Type flex pay calculator in the cell A1. We will copy this and paste this one in the cell A1. That's our cell A1. We will paste this one. Flex pay calculator. Then merge and center the title on the top first row in the cell range A1 to C1. So we will select A1 to C1. Then merge and center this one and apply bold 20 font size. Bold and 20 font size. What is saying? Blue S and 1 font color. So we will go to the font color. That's our font color. That's our blue S and 1. Blue S and 1 font color. That's our third step. Our fourth step is merge and center the range A2 to C2. A2 to C2. Merge and center. And what type inputs? So we will copy this and paste this one as a inputs. Then what is saying? Apply thick outside border. So apply on this, apply thick outside borders. Here in the borders, we will go to the thick outside borders. Note, make user apply thick box border. So that's our fourth step. Our fifth step is type APR and number of payment in the range A3 and A4. So in the A3, we will type APR. We will copy this and paste this one in the cell A3. APR and number of payment. Copy and paste this one as the number of payment in the cell A4. That's our fifth step. Our sixth step is type 1.75 in the cell B3. So we'll copy this and go to the cell B3. That's our cell B3 and paste this one as a 1.735% and 34 in the cell B4. So we will go to the cell B4 and type as a 36. Merge and center the range A6 to C6. So A6 to C6. We will merge and center this one and type outputs. We will paste this one, outputs, and what is the thing? Apply thick outside border. So in this we need to apply thick outside border. We applied. That's our sixth step. Our seventh step is type model in the cell A7. We'll copy this. That's our A7. We will paste this one as a model. And price in the cell B7. In the B7 we will type price. And in the cell C7 type payment. We'll copy, and in the cell C7 we'll paste as a payment. That's our seventh step. Our eighth step is type iPhone X in the cell A8. We'll copy and paste it in the cell A8. That's our cell A8. In the cell A9 type Samsung Galaxy. Then in the cell A10 put LGV30. That's our LGV30. Enter 949, 799 and 650 as a reference prices. So we will here put 949, then 799, and 650 in the third. Apply currency format and then resize column A as needed to display the text. So type this one as make this one as a currency. By pressing Ctrl 1 you will get the format cell ribbon, and in this you will make it as a currency or press OK, and column A, select column A and make auto width. So all the things in the column A are displayed. That's our 8th step. Our 9th step is in the cell C8 enter a PMT function to calculate the monthly flux payment for the first option. Be sure to use the appropriate and absolute cell references, relative or mixed to the references. Use the fill handle to copy the function to the cell C10. So in this we will use a payment. In this we will use a PMT function is equal to PMT. We will start our bracket. Rate is the 1.75%. No, we have to. Its rate is B8, while its non-PV is 1.75% and PV is 36. We will make the absolute reference to the cell B3 and cell B4 as absolute reference, and close this bracket and press enter. So we have got our results in the cell C8. And what is he saying? Copy the function up to cell C10. So copy this up to cell C10 to get the results. Make sure each of the monthly flex payment is positive value. So that's our positive value. That's our 9th step. In this assignment we have total 13 steps of this assignment. In this video I have performed 10 steps. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can just comment on this video, or you can scan the barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video to get directly in my inbox of the WhatsApp. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates. Thank you.